Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Edge hood with a dead battery. First, locate the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side, near the floorboard or dashboard. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a click as the primary latch disengages. This action partially opens the hood, allowing you to access the secondary safety latch at the front of the vehicle. This initial step is crucial for gaining access to your engine bay. Now move to the front of your Ford Edge. Carefully reach your hand under the slightly raised hood, right above the grille area near the Ford emblem. You will feel a small lever or tab. This is the secondary safety latch. Depending on your model, you might need to push it to one side or pull it upwards. Once you operate this mechanism, the hood will fully release, allowing you to lift it completely. With the hood now fully released, lift it all the way up. Locate the prop rod, typically found attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay, and secure the hood in the open position. Your Ford Edge battery is usually situated on the driver's side of the engine compartment. Once you've located it, you are ready to connect your jumper cables or a portable battery charger to begin the charging process. When connecting jumper cables, always attach the positive, or red, cable first, then the negative or black cable. Allow the battery to charge for at least 15 minutes before attempting to start your vehicle. Once your Ford Edge starts, carefully disconnect the cables in reverse order. Finally, lower the hood gently and press down firmly to ensure both the primary and secondary latches engage securely before you drive away.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.